Today we will learn about relative frequency tables. First, let's look at a normal frequency table. So here we have the types of people at the beach, male or female, and we have the activities they prefer, swimming or surfing, walking or running, and sunbathing. We are going to look at each category and try to complete this table. Since we have 9 men and 11 women swimming or surfing, that means we can add the males and females to get a total of 20 people swimming or surfing. We can do the same thing with walking or running. 4 are male, 1 is female, so 5 people like to walk or run. Now, let's try to complete the rows. First of all, we have 9 males swimming or surfing, 4 walking or running, and 10 sunbathing. That means we can add all those numbers together and get 9 plus 4 plus 10 is 23. Now, for the last couple of blocks, notice how the empty space is in the middle? Well, that means that instead of adding, we can subtract because we're given the total and we're given the number of males. We have 25 total, 10 of them are males. That means the other 15 have to be female. Then that means we have 11 females swimming or surfing, 1 walking or running, and 15 sunbathing. We can add those together, 11 plus 1 plus 15 to get 27. And we know we did this right because 23 plus 27 is 50. Now, let's create a relative frequency table. So the relative frequency is a decimal number between 0 and 1. We get it by dividing each cell or each block by the total. So we're going to divide all of our numbers by 50. 9 divided by 50 will give us 0.18. We will do the same thing for every other cell. This is the result. Now, if I was to ask you what is the relative frequency of people that go to the beach that are female and prefer to swim or surf. So, the relative frequency of people that go to the beach means the frequency is based off of the total. So, we already did that. We divided by 50. And we want to know people that go to the beach that are female and prefer to swim or surf. So females who prefer to swim or surf is 0.22. Our next question is, of the males at the beach, what percent prefer to walk or run? Remember, a percentage is a part divided by a whole times 100. In this case, the whole is the males at the beach. So our whole is going to be 0.46. And our part is the number that prefer to walk or run. So the males who are walking or running is 0.08. Then we're going to multiply that by 100. This gives us a total of about 17%. If we want to know the percent of people at the beach who are female, well, our total will be the people at the beach, so the total is 1, and our part will be the number who are female. The number who are female is 0.54, and so we'll do 0.54 divided by 1 times 100, which is 54%. Now, try the remaining questions on your own.